Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Datadog Agent on a VPS for real-time monitoring. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your VPS using SSH. You can do this with the command line or a terminal application. Use the appropriate command to log in. Once logged in, update your package list. Run the command sudo apt-get update for Debian-based systems. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Next, you'll need to download the Datadog Agent installation script. Visit the Datadog website and find the installation command for your OS. Copy the command and paste it into your terminal. Run the command to start the installation process. During the installation, you'll be prompted to enter your Datadog API key. You can find your API key in your Datadog account under the Integrations section. Paste the API key into the prompt and press Enter. Once the installation is complete, start the Datadog Agent service. Use the command sudo service datadog agent start. To ensure the agent is running, check its status. Run sudo service datadog agent status to verify. If everything is set up correctly, the agent should be listed as active. Next, make sure the agent is configured to monitor your service. Edit the configuration file located at /etc/datadogagent/datadog.yaml. Add any necessary integrations relevant to your applications. Save the configuration file after making your changes. To apply the new configuration, restart the Datadog agent. Use the command sudo service datadog agent restart. Finally, log in to your Datadog dashboard. Check the metrics and logs to ensure your VPS is being monitored in real time. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Datadog agent on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.